Hey there, awesome parents! Got a picky eater at home? No worries. Today I'm sharing my top 5 tips to transform your picky eater into a proper little foodie. And the best part? It's all vegan and absolutely delicious. Let's dive right in. First things first, let's get those little hands dirty. Getting your kids involved in the kitchen is a surefire way to spark their curiosity about food.
It's like magic, watching them transform from reluctant eaters to eager little chefs.
Start by giving them age-appropriate tasks, like washing veggies, measuring ingredients, or even just stirring a pot. Let them explore different textures and smells. It's all about making it a sensory experience.
The most important thing is to create a fun and relaxed atmosphere where they feel comfortable experimenting. You'll be amazed at how much more interested they are in eating something they helped create. Now let's talk about making food visually appealing. We all eat with our eyes first, right?
This is especially true for kids. Think of it like this. Would you rather have a boring bowl of oatmeal or a plate with a smiley face pancake? Exactly.
Get creative and turn those veggies into edible works of art. Use cookie cutters to create fun shapes out of cucumbers and carrots, or arrange those broccoli florets into a little tree. You can even make funny faces with mashed potatoes and peas. Let your imagination run wild.
And hey, don't be afraid to get a little silly with it. Make it a game, tell stories, and bring those food creations to life. The more engaging and playful you make it, the more likely your little ones will be to gobble it all up. Trust me, a little creativity goes a long way. Introducing new foods can be tricky, right? The key here is to take it slow and steady. Parent, don't overwhelm your little ones with a plate full of unfamiliar flavors all at once. Instead, try incorporating one new food at a time alongside their familiar favorites. Child, think of it like this. You wouldn't climb Mount Everest in one go, would you? Start with small portions of the new food and gradually increase the amount as they get accustomed to the taste and texture. Parent, it might take a few tries or even more for your little one to accept a new food. Child, just keep offering it in different ways and eventually they'll come around. Celebrate those small victories, like trying a new food for the first time or finishing their veggies. Kids love having a sense of control, right? So why not give them the reins at mealtime with a DIY dinner station? Child, it's like building a delicious masterpiece, one ingredient at a time. Parent, lay out a variety of healthy and colorful options. Chopped veggies, cooked grains, beans, dips, sauces, you name it. Think of it like a buffet of goodness, where they get to be the chefs and create their own personalized meals. Parent, plus it takes the pressure off you to come up with elaborate meals that they might not even touch. Last but not least, let's talk about the power of positive reinforcement. Parent, instead of focusing on what they're not eating, try praising them for what they are trying. Child, every bite of a new food is a step in the right direction, so let's celebrate those victories. Parent, a simple, "That's amazing! You tried the broccoli," or "I'm so proud of you for finishing your carrots," can work wonders in building their confidence and encouraging them to keep exploring new flavors. Create a positive and supportive environment where your kids feel comfortable trying new things without the fear of judgment. Parent, and most importantly, be a good role model. Show them how much you enjoy eating your fruits and veggies. Child kids are like sponges. They soak up everything they see. So there you have it. 5 fabulous tips to turn your picky eater into a veggie-loving superstar. Remember, patience and creativity are your best friends. Turning mealtimes from a struggle into a joyride is all about keeping it fun, engaging, and most importantly, stress-free. For more fun and healthy tips, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. See you next time.